want more than to stay alive. So come on over, we can make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do. On the beat, keep dancing through the night. We stay up until the morning light, the morning light. Oh, so come on over, we can make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do. On the beat, keep dancing through the night. We stay up until the morning light, the morning light. Oh.
You and your short legs. Sit up back. There we go. Alright, we are packed up, car's ready to go. We are on our way to Tassie.
Yes.
Chelsea's home. Visiting Tassie for the first time, so pretty excited. The weather's looking pretty good. It's going to be very cold. And I don't live in cold places very often, so I don't have much cold stuff. But we're gonna see how we go, hey? Locked up. Let's do it. We made it.
We made it.
Found a park right at the back of the car park in the other terminal. So I think we've got a fair walk to get where we need to be.
Ready. This is gonna be such a nice time my way. Thanks for joining us on our
So I'm pretty cold. I forgot my jumper on, well, I put it in my baggage, but not on my backpack. So this is freezing.
Welcome to Tassie.
Alright, it's morning in Bicheno and going out for my first fish with Chelsea. We got a tinny over here.
It's got cobwebs on it. She hasn't been used in a while. That's over.
It is an absolutely fine morning, so it should be really good.
You have to get something just popping on for toast. Yes. Pop has fish on toast for Ricky. Hold on.
Alright, we just got to the spot. Freezing. Lucky I got this little face thingy. Chelsea's gonna take me for first fish. Oh yeah. Woo! Very unbalanced. Oh yeah, I'm not used to this. Alright, let's see how we go. What are we catching? Got our first fish! Just came over to see the seals hanging out in the rough, man, chilling. I finished up a fish. Now we're heading on e-bikes down to the coffee shop.
Yep, go for a bit of a stroll.
Look at these, look at this thing.
The beast. I'm ready to ride.
Oh. Alright, we just picked up some coffees. See if we can ride one-handed down the beach. Alright, just picked up our fish and chips from the lobster shack and now heading down the beach and go eat. Too good of a day.
was so pitted on the bike. Oh, that was so pitted.
Alright, second day here in Tasmania. Pretty sick day yesterday. Weather's turned it absolutely on for us again today. Where have you taken me now?
So we're going to check out the lookout here in Coles Bay and also climb up to Mount Amos. Such beautiful scenes here, so it should be awesome.
Yeah, it looks unreal out here. Mountains are pretty crazy, especially with the blue skies. So, see how we go.
So we are here and we are going all the way up here to look at this beautiful view of Vine Glass.
Oh, nearly.
So not yet there yet, but this is a pretty nice view so far. Ready?
Let's do it.
We made it.
We made it. Alright, just finished climbing Mount Amos. Super sick view up the top there. Now we're just finishing up at the lodge. A bit of champagne and a bit of a view before we head back home. Big day, ending it with a bit of a squid hunt, it sounds like. So hopefully, didn't have too much luck with the fish today, but hopefully we can get some squid to end the day. Get some entrees for dinner tonight.
Oh, did you see that still?
Go on.
Yeah, he's gonna interview.
Oh!
Nice one! Showing off my little trophy. He's a beauty, isn't he? Yay! Well, cheers for that one.
Cheers. Got a squid. Doing good.
One down so far.
See if I can get one.
Yep, you're up.
I'm up next, so let's grab the rod.
Yes. Nice one.
Taking a drive out to a waterhole, I think. Where are we?
We're at the Apsley River, so that's a little waterhole just outside of Bicheno. Yeah, it's unreal, so
should be pretty good. It's a pretty sick drive in, and another amazing day. We've done really well with weather so far, so keen to see what it looks like out there.
that.
Looks like someone had the same idea as us. Got a little stove cooktop down there. So we just went for a bit of a drive, finished up at the waterhole, and now we are at 4 Mile. So pretty nice spot, insane drive in. Now we're going to cook up a bit of a feed on somewhere down here, maybe on the rocks. Have a chill out.
We are cooking up your squid that you caught yesterday and that tiny bit of flathead got left.
Sick, so this will be the first time that I've eaten something that I've caught. So a bit exciting, caught some squid, caught a flathead. See how it goes, see how it tastes. Looking forward to it.
Chucking a bit of fish on.
I don't think you can get a much better view for cooking than this.
Absolutely.
Pretty unreal.
What a view.
Keen to try these though.
There you go. You got some fish and some squid and a bit of salad.
Test out the first thing I've ever caught.
It's going to be really hot.
Oh, don't eat it yet.
Maybe not. How's it taste?
Good.
It's good.
Oh yeah. Not bad.
Does it taste even better that you caught it?
Oh yeah.
100%.
How's yours?
So good.
Chelsea has somehow convinced me to go swimming.
Look how beautiful it is. Number one.
Yes, it is a nice day, but it is absolutely freezing. We're down in Tasmania. Actually, it is a little bit warmer of a day, which is good, but it's still going to be icy cold. So this will be very interesting. I get cold on the Sunshine Coast, so.
I think it's 17 degrees today, so it's not a heat wave by any means.
Do I just run and get it done, or do I?
No, you run.
Alright, ready? Okay, go.
Go.
Oh god, I don't want to do it.
It's so ice,
It's so cold.
but it's so cold,
Oh,
isn't
it's
it?
refreshing though. Oh my god, it's probably the coldest swim I've had. It feels like an ice bath.
That was good. That was a bit chilly. A lot more chilly than Queensland.
Sweet, just finished up a nice cold swim. And now we're gonna, not too much longer until we fly out. So gonna go stop by a pub somewhere. Where are we going?
Up to Scamander. Gonna go to the pub just on the beach there. So nice.
Go have a nice beer before we get ready to head out. So Scamander pub was closed. It is Anzac Day today, so a lot of the bars are actually quite closed around here. So we have gotten 2 beers. We're walking up to a lookout. I'm going to have a quick beer before getting ready to fly off. A pretty unreal time here in Tassie. So sick getting to see Chelsea's home for the first time, catching my first squid.
First flathead.
Flathead, going out for in the tinny, climbing Mount Amos.
We've done a bit, haven't we?
Pretty unreal time, and now finishing the trip with this view. Pretty nuts. Bit of a beer. Sick. Peace out, Tassie.
Come on over, we can make it through.